Welcome back to the cool show about where I make stuff. Hi, Tippers. I have a new assistant today. Tippers the cat. Say hi, Tippers. Yeah, that counts. Today we're going to be showing you this doorknob. Tippers invented it. To be honest with you, I think Tipper stole it from a plan book. There's no way he would have been able to invent that himself. Like, look at that. It doesn't look like the face of a genius. Because it's adorable. Anyways. Oh crap, my camera's falling. Anyways. Well, continuing with the doorknob. But it's not just any doorknob. It's a doorknob. It's a doorknob that doesn't work. The camera. Stupid camera. It's not just any doorknob. It's a doorknob that doesn't even work like a doorknob. Ah, come on. Stupid. No. God, no. Stop it. Oh, he's so cute. Anyways, so Tipper said that this is a special doorknob because it doesn't have a door and it's not a real doorknob that doesn't work. It's also made out of popsicles I ate. Please don't tell my mom. Just kidding. Or was I? Aww. He wants to play with the thing, I think. Oh, look at him. Look at him play with his own. Go play with your crazy Tippers. Here you go. Here you go, Tippers. Here you go. Play with your crazy. Play with your doorknob. Play with your doorknob. Yes, there's poison in it. Ha ha ha. I mean, no poison. Look at how fun of a toy it is. Ah. No. You're a cute, adorable cat. No, please don't break this. Oh God, no!